this is the details of the admin policy, right? This is the file. Hit enter. Now we're going to create our user account, but so I'm going to show you a simple way to create a user account. And then I'm going to show you the production way to create a user account. So to create a user account, we'll just do vault right auth user pass users. We'll call this user Naruto. The policy that will be applied to Naruto will be the admin policy, and Naruto's password will be change me now. All right, so we just created an account called Naruto. Naruto's has a policy assigned to his account, which is called admin policy, and Naruto's password is change me now. The reason I don't like this way is because you can see the password in clear text here, which you don't want to do. So what we're going to do is actually hash the password for another user account that we're going to create. So in order to hash it, Vault likes to use the bcrypt hashing algorithm. So we're going to download that with Python. Once again, you don't have to do this part. You can use the account that we already created, but that's not enough for me right now. So I'm downloading bcrypt now. Using Python to download bcrypt. Bcrypt is here. And now I'm going to do Python 3-c import bcrypt print bcrypt password. Change me now is the password that I want to get a hash of. Bcrypt generate a salt. You give me a salt, I don't care. The code, boom, boom. And whoops. I went. There's my let me see what I did. Oh, again. There we go. So here's the hash right here. So with Naruto's account, what we did was this, right? We did this. Vault right policies, added the admin policy, and then the password to change me now, right? With, whoops, I keep losing this terminal. With Naruto's account, that's what we did. We're going to make another user called Itachi. Same thing, admin policy, but we're going to do password underscore hash equals that. Oh yeah, so it doesn't like the, we have to escape the $sign. Escape that with the backward slash, escape that with the backward slash, escape that with the backward slash, and boom. So instead of putting the clear text password right here, we're going to put the hash. Why don't I like entering clear text passwords into the terminal? Because if you use the history command, you can see everything that someone has typed under this account. You can see that Naruto's password is change me now in Vault. Right? If I was a threat actor, I run the history command and I see this, guess what I have now? I have your password. But if I see this, I don't have your password. I just see the hash, which could, potentially be cracked with some type of rainbow table or whatnot, but it makes it more difficult for anybody to do something malicious. All right, cool. Now we have the user account. Now we can log into Vault.